Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will learn how you can send WhatsApp message on receiving Razorpay payment using message 24/7. So the idea here is you are selling something via Razorpay payment gateway, and every time a new payment is received in your Razorpay account, you automatically want to send a WhatsApp message to the same customer as the payment is received. So we will be using message 24/7 to send the WhatsApp message. So to set up this automation, we will be using Pabbly Connect, over where our trigger application will be Razorpay and our action application will be message 24/7. So to create this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how you can send WhatsApp message on receiving Razorpay payment using message 24/7. So let's assume that you are selling your product via Razorpay payment gateway, and as soon as a new payment is received in your Razorpay account, you want to automatically send a payment received WhatsApp message to the same customer who has just made the payment. For sending the payment confirmation messages on WhatsApp to the customer, we will be using message 24/7. So if you want to set up this automation, let's sign into our Pabbly Connect account. These are the applications provided by Pabbly. We will go to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now to reach our dashboard. So this is our dashboard, and to create a new workflow, we will go to our right hand side and click on this Create Workflow button. Now we will be giving a random name to our workflow. I have named it as Send WhatsApp message on receiving Razorpay payment using message 24/7, and now I will click on Create. So this is a blank workflow appearing on my screen. Trigger and action are the two most important principles of Pabbly Connect to perform any automation and integration. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So let us take the example of our use case, that is to send WhatsApp message on receiving Razorpay payment using message 24/7. Over here what we want is whenever a payment is received in Razorpay account, a WhatsApp message should be sent through message 24/7. So over here, when we will go to our trigger window, we will be searching over here for Razorpay. Here it is. And after selecting Razorpay as a trigger application, now we need to select the trigger event, that will be payment captured. So now you can see over here there is a procedure given. So now we have selected our trigger application as Razorpay and the event is as payment captured. So now we need to select the action application, that is to send WhatsApp message. Now we want to send a WhatsApp message. So we will be searching over here for MSG 24/7. Here it is, official WhatsApp business API. And now we need to select the action event, that will be to send a WhatsApp message. So now you can see our trigger application is Razorpay, that whenever a payment will be captured, so this trigger will start working. And in case of action, a WhatsApp message will be sent through message 24/7. So let us see how we will do this. So in our trigger window, we can see a webhook URL is given to us, and read the steps given below carefully because these will help you to connect Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So over here it says log into Razorpay account and navigate to the webhook section available under settings. So we need to copy this webhook URL. And now you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. We will go to our Razorpay account, and now over here we will go to account and settings. After doing this, we will go to webhooks. Now these are some existing webhooks, but I want to add a new webhook. So we will click on this add new webhook button, and we will be pasting the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect over here. The trigger event that we selected in Pabbly Connect was payment captured. So we will be selecting the same option over here, and we will be clicking on create webhook. So you can see the webhook is saved successfully. So after creating this webhook, we will go to payment pages, and these are some existing pages which were created before. So I have created this t-shirt store payment page. So here it is. And now we will be filling the payment details to see whether the response is being captured in our Pabbly Connect application or not. So moving back to the payment gateway, so here we will fill the details. So I have filled in the details. So now I will click on pay 500. So we are in test mode and we will be using the dummy details. You can copy these dummy details from razorpay.com, test card details. So I'm selecting this Visa card and I've pasted here. And I will click on pay without saving card because we are in test mode. and the payment was successful. So now let us go to Pabbly Connect and see the response captured. So now here you can see the phone number, the name, the mail ID and the payment method. And if we scroll down, you can see the amount. So the price of this t-shirt was 500 rupees if we go to our Razorpay payment page. So you can see 500 was received. But moving back to Pabbly Connect, over here you can see the amount is being showed as 50,000 rupees. So this amount is pretty incorrect. Here we have received the amount of 50,000, but the price of this t-shirt was 500 rupees. Now we have received these two extra zero in the response because while sending the data of a newly captured payment, Razorpay does not support decimal values. That's why the t-shirt price was 500 and over here you can see 50,000 is appearing because it has eliminated the decimal and sent us that two zeros as well. So to eliminate these two zeros, we will be using number formatter by Pabbly. Here it is. Now we need to select the action event and that will be to perform math operation. Number formatter is a feature of Pabbly Connect which helps us to change format of numbers, perform math operations and spreadsheet formulas. So now we will be clicking on connect and now we need to map or enter the numbers and select the operation. So here we will map the payment amount and we will divide it by 100 to remove these two extra zeros. So over here we will select the operation as divide and now we will click on save and send test request. So you can see the result is 500 and it was successful. So now we have done this. Moving on to our next action application, that was message 24/7 to send a WhatsApp message whenever a new payment is received in our Razorpay account. So I've selected the action application as message 24/7 and the action event as to send WhatsApp template. So I will click on connect. Now after doing this, if you have an existing connection, you can go with it. But if you don't have it, you can easily add a new connection. And over here, you can see we need to enter the API key. We will go to our message 24/7 account and over here, we will go to manage and you can see the API key function over here. This is an existing API key which you can copy or you can either regenerate a new key. So I will be going with this old key and it is copied to the clipboard. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here and I will click on save. So you can see it is connected. Now it is asking for some details like campaign name, mobile number, username and some other details like source, tags and template parameter. So to select the campaign name, we will go to our message 24/7 account and over here in template message you can see these are some existing template messages. So I have created this payment confirm template message so you can read it. Woohoo! Thanks for shopping with us. Your payment status is confirmed. We will mail you the receipt over your mail ID. That is, you will also receive a message on your number followed as. So this is a template which I have created before. So now I need to set it as a live campaign. I will go to campaigns to set it live. So I will click on launch and over here I will go to API campaign and now I need to give a campaign name. I have named it as payment confirmation and the template will be payment confirmed and I will set this live. So now going back to the campaign. So now you can see our campaign is live. We will go back to Pabbly Connect and we will enter the campaign name. That was payment confirmation. So I will write it over here. So now I need to enter the mobile number. So I will map it from the Razorpay response. Here it is. Now I need to enter the username. We will map it again from Razorpay. Here it is. So now if we talk about the source, this means that you can enter the lead source to create targeted segments for retargeting such as Facebook forms, website leads and YouTube leads. But make sure that you mention it in a single column. So I will mention over here as Razorpay leads. And if we talk about tags, so it completely depends on your use case if you want to enter the tags. So you can enter it. Read this carefully that you can only enter the tag if pre-existing tag names to assign to the user separated by commas, example SMS messaging, comma Maruti, comma candidates. So now if we talk about template parameter, so let us read this. Parameter values to fill in a template message. Parameter value should be comma separated. Example dollar first name, comma hashtag, the number. So you can see there is some numbers mentioned in curly brackets. That means this value will be changing as per as the new response will be received. So let us go back to a Pabbly Connect account, and over here let us set the template parameter as. So now over here you can either map this template parameter or you can even write it. So we will map it from the Razorpay response, that will be demo user in the first curly bracket, putting a comma. I will be mentioning the mail ID, comma again, and then I will be mentioning the phone number. So I have mentioned these details. And now if we talk about media URL, so if you want to attach it, you can. If you want to mention the file name, you can mention that as well. And if we talk about attributes name, that means we have to enable the map button, and we can enter comma separated custom attributes like order, comma food, comma email. And now we will click on save and send test request to see whether this WhatsApp message is sent to the user or not. So the response is received and it says success. The value is true. That means the message is sent. So let us go to our WhatsApp and check the message. So now you can see this is the message that was sent successfully. Woohoo! Thanks for shopping with us, demo user. Your payment status is confirmed. We will mail you the receipt over your mail ID, that is demo@pabblytudes.com. You will also receive a message on your mobile number followed as. So this automation was successful. So now you can send a WhatsApp message automatically whenever you receive a new payment on Razorpay. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.